Hello there, everyone. So, y'all like a good grilled cheese sandwich? Well, I have had a craving for one. It is super hot here where I live. It's in the 90s, and I don't feel like spending a lot of time in the kitchen cooking. So I'm just pulling stuff out of my refrigerator, and I'm gonna whip up a pizza grilled cheese. Yeah, because that sounds good. All right, so here's what I've got. I've got this sourdough bread. It was $2 off, and I love sourdough, so that's the bread I'll be using. Then I'm gonna make this spread. Instead of butter, you take some mayonnaise. I've got some freshly grated Parmesan and a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And then of course I've got my pepperoni. I'm gonna be using some fresh mozzarella because I love fresh mozzarella. It's just so creamy and cheesy and it melts so nice. And then of course pizza sauce. All right, going to get out a couple pieces of bread. All right, and then this is around, I don't know, maybe a half of a cup of the freshly grated Parmesan cheese. I'm going to add a teaspoon of the Italian seasoning to that, and then add a couple heaping tablespoons of mayonnaise and just give this a mix. Now I know this may sound strange, but just trust me. All right, so now just spread this mayonnaise mixture on your bread. So my skillet is on a medium-low heat. I'm going to place my bread with the mayonnaise mixture side down. And then I'm just going to spoon on some of this pizza sauce. You don't want to do too much. And then I'm going to place the fresh mozzarella. And I'm going to place the pepperoni. But you could do whatever you want. It is your grilled cheese sandwich. Now I'm going to turn the heat down to a low heat. So apparently I don't have a lid for this skillet, so I'm just going to make do with what I've got. Oh yeah. Just look at that cheese oozing out the side. I'm gonna dip it in some sauce. Oh yeah. That is delicious. This right here, this is why I love fresh mozzarella. This tastes like a cross between pizza, grilled cheese, and those mozzarella cheese sticks. All right, guys, I hope that you give the pizza grilled cheese a try. And try that mayonnaise and Parmesan spread instead of butter. You will not be sorry. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless, and as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.